We'll guide you through how to fix the Windows 11 taskbar not showing or working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem's annoying as you're then unable to go and properly use your computer, so we've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, you want to go and press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard. Then you'll see a list of options and you want to go and press Task Manager. At the top you can press Search and you want to go and type in Explorer, find it and you want to click on it and go and press Restart Task. Everything will then go in black and reload, and hopefully it will then go and start working. If it still doesn't, you need to press the Windows key and R together, and you'll get this pop-up, and you need to go and type in REG edit, regedit like so. Press enter, press yes, and this will then go and appear. Press the arrow to the left of H key lower machine and come into it, then come into software by pressing the arrow. Scroll down, press the arrow to the left of Microsoft, scroll down, press the arrow to the left of Windows, then current version, then shell, then update and click packages. In here you want to go and right click, hover over new, and you want to go and press DWORD 32-bit value. Name this undocking. With a capital U, then with a capital D, type in disabled. Click off of it, then double click on it, and you can go and set the value to 1. You can press OK. Now what you can do is go and press Ctrl-Alt-Delete again, and in the bottom right of the screen there's a power button, click there and press restart. When your computer restarts, hopefully it's now solved.